Hi, my name is Zachary Angelat, and I just wanted to go over. Um, I, I guess the point of this is to demonstrate for me personally how easy it is to start out with Go, like literally to install it and you know actually do things with it right off the bat without knowing anything. Um, the other day I tried to do that with Python, and but that was on Windows, and for some odd reason I had a really hard time trying to get things going. Actually, I wasn't able to get it to go. I had done it way before, but for whatever reason now it was a bit harder. I didn't try it on Linux yet, but I'm just gonna show my 2 cents of how to install both. Um, if I give up on one, I give up on one, but I just want to show the comparison of maybe something I think is really simple as opposed to something that maybe other people might not think is simple. And it's really not in a comparison of languages, it's just in a comparison of how to get going and actually start from zero and then code. Um, I'll try to install. I believe Python is. Oops, spell that wrong. Might not. Okay. I just clicked one of the first links. It doesn't have to be the first one, but okay, so Python 3 is. So I have Python 3.10 on there. Let's say I want Python 3.16, I believe, is, or 0.7 is the latest. Just an example, I don't think there's that much of a difference between 3.10.4 and 3.10.7. I believe I had it installed because I had to download some other packages on my Linux distribution. It just happened to be one of the things that I needed in order to run a certain package. But we'll just try to install it. And I ain't going to try to install it from directly off the site because I find that even with Go, it's not 100% if you follow these exact things that it works 100% of the time. But I'm just going to go off of Google results as if anyone else would normally install it, because that's just common sense. So let's just do, Python 3 sudo update. I suppose this is just good to do in general. But what was the version again? 3.10.7. So let's do 10.7. Okay, enable the locate package. I guess let's do maybe that's an out of date thing. 10.7, which I guess is the latest one. I'm just okay. That's just a bad resource. So it's real easy, and then they're like, "Oh, just follow the official thing." But obviously, that's the error I kept getting. Actually, that was literally the error I kept getting. There's a special fix, and you had to find this site in order to do it. It really made me mad. Let's try, I guess, this one. And to be fair, there's a lot of websites that get up to the top on Google, and that's not really the language's fault. That's just how things kind of end up going somewhat. But this is just a terrible website with ads and everything. I can already hear my computer spinning up because of that. Option is to build from source. As many tutorials out there to explain simple Python program management. Yeah, a lot of languages like NPM have like a package that then installs it for you and stuff. I think even Go has something like this as well. But that just seems like a lot of work just to install a language. I mean, hey. Okay. Let's try it out. I don't know if it'll. Well, this is the question. Wrap question. Just. Yeah, so. Let's try this one, I guess. Huh? What is this stuff? And why do I have to keep hitting enter? I guess let's try it then. Even though that might be an old PPA. No. Okay, well, let's, I guess, since I almost can't find where's the Linux? Compressed Torball. How do I just like how they have the operating system and then just source release? Okay. Do I just click it? Do I have to do some special thing? It may not be an install wizard. Yeah, it's not install wizard. Oh, I don't want to purchase them. That's not. I don't. I don't want to purchase. What? Oh, man. All right. Let's just keep googling. How to install Python 10.7 on Linux. PKG? I don't even know if I have PKG. No. No, I don't. That's free BSD. I just want Linux. Like I don't. Oh man. Ooh. So let's just do another site. I'm not gonna do things from with C. Okay, this one looks like it might actually amount to something. Hey, no, it didn't. Still has the old one. So now let's figure. Huh? Okay, let's just try this. I don't know what this configure optimization thing is. nproc. Isn't that usually with process watcher? Don't copy the HTML. That's funny. 4. I didn't get 2. Man, I'm just gonna copy paste directly next time. All the languages have a whole bunch of stuff you have to kind of download and do whatever, which is fine. I don't mind. If this works, I'll link it, just because apparently it takes a while to dig to actually find a way to install Python on your computer. I wasn't, because of that error thing, was it the other web page? I wasn't able to install it on Windows. I might actually be able to do it on Linux. And that was part of the reason why I wanted to make this video, was because, even if you're a Python fan, this shouldn't be a big, long Google as hard as you can process in order to use the language. I mean, unless it's some kind of crazy old, like Fortran or I don't know. I know Python's older, but I'm just trying to say that I'm sure there's some way out there that's like a one-hit command and you just don't have to think about it with some bash. I'm more unsure. But if you're starting from zero, right, and you want to try it out, it shouldn't be that hard to just try it out, right? Wow, it's really installing a lot of stuff. He's really going at it. But yeah, it was just something that, because I remember doing Python before installing it and everything, and I actually really like Python, but it sort of made me mad that I wasn't able to install it yesterday on Windows. It's kind of, I don't know, irked me a little, but whatever. It's open source and things change a lot. But Let's go and edit. Some people say you shouldn't use the VS Code terminal. I've installed plenty of stuff through it. I've had almost no issue. When I do have an issue, it's usually because I have to close down the terminal and turn it back on. But you would normally have to do that anyways, or do the sourcing of the .bash RC or profile or whatever. But yeah, I mean, to me, it really should be a 1, 2, 3 thing. And hopefully this resource, and I'll link it, is a 1, 2, 3 thing. I don't know, we'll see. Why is this a lot of stuff? It's really a lot of stuff. I don't know what it's doing. Unused result. It's interesting. It's compiling some Python C. Yeah, usually C stuff takes a while. I can't test anything out until, you know, I forgot what even command thing I was on next. I don't know. God, it's really going at it. I might have to cut this out of the video. I didn't realize this really takes a long time. There we go. And what command did I do last? Okay, so to make J2, let's do this one then. Hopefully it's not quite as big of a hit. And I hit up, so that J2 was the last one I did. There's a lot of stuff. It's like something that would be inside the bash. Root user can result in broken permissions. Virtual environment instead of, I don't know. Okay, let's see if okay, how do we switch versions? Whoa. Switch versions of Python. On Linux. Alternative install. Huh? Wait, 10.7. Yeah, no, that didn't work at all. Let's try this one. Nope. Nope, bad resource. Alright. Let's and Python usually does come installed on a lot of Linux stuff. No, it's not even found. Nice. Python 3. No, still didn't do it. I think this is just a bad resource. Let's see. .10.7 or is it space 7? Let's try space 7 now. With auto mode. Python 3 version. Nope. There we go again. I can't actually use it. Might as well be the space right there. Maybe if I get out of the terminal, get back in. Nope. All right. This is really, really frustrating. What? What? Really? I have to spell it out? To bash RC. Oh, yeah, that bash RC. Oh, dot. Dot. Cannot forget the dot. Alright, well, I guess I can't do it. Yep. Anyways. Let's try Go. Version. Go Net Font. So it's not installed on there. How to install Go on Linux. So this is the main website one. Again, it wouldn't be something I necessarily would use. But they do show kind of the latest, 19.2. Let's try the same one. Yeah, you can skip all this crapola. Let's run this. Let's get that 19.2, the latest. Just downloading the binary. The checksum, I guess you can do. It's not needed. It's just some to make sure that what you downloaded was what you downloaded. I don't know that much about how that necessarily works. Sure. So let's, I guess, install it. As you can see, there's, oh, that's it. Okay. And then okay, see, it installed it. So we gotta put the path in the bash RC. Nano.bash RC. My Python thing that doesn't work. Yeah, I figured there's more. Okay. It's nice with that. Add stuff. Source it. Oh, that's profile. No. Source. Dash RC. It's basically like turning your terminal off. Basically doing that. I think that Python still fucked it up. Do we go version? No. Oh, maybe the profile. Nano. I forget which one I'm using. I don't even really know the difference, I'll be honest. Okay, let's get out of it. Get back in. I wonder if I have to close. No, it doesn't. Unless it's because of the ZSH. HRC. Yeah, I wonder. Nano ZSHRC. I wonder if it's because I'm using ZSH that it wasn't finding it. I really don't know what all these different things do with the profile, the bash, and the ZSHRC. I know they're kind of what your terminal uses, but yeah, there we go. Let's try it with the Python. Python 10.7 on Linux. Let's see if that was actually the issue per se. Well, no, we installed the Python, but we couldn't use it. Here we go. Let's see. That's HRC. Let's put that puppy in there. I don't know if it'll work, but whatever. At least we tried. Okay, let's get out of it. Python 3. No. I don't know. I don't know. I'm all out of maybe I have to do this with it. 10. I don't know. I don't know. But yeah. Anyways, I can't seem to get it to work anymore. With the Go stuff though, let me delete all this crap over. where I got that. I don't know. I don't know what Python. I tried. I don't know what I looked up, like 7-8 different sites. Couldn't do it. With Go, it was one. I don't know. I don't know. I wish it was easier. I don't know. I don't know what to say. I could try it one more time and look. Well, no, I deleted the file, so it's too late now. But yeah, I don't know. I guess that's just how the cookie crumbles, sort of. But yeah, that's sort of that's how you don't install Python and how you do install Go. If you have any questions, please let me know. Okay? Okay.